Hi everyone. So that's the office and where we are doing the unboxing of a Mercedes E-Class system that we'll be putting. So actually there is a 2011 model E-Class which we have already modified, and you guys must have seen the video. It's a black color E-Class 2011 which we have converted to 2015 AMG, and now the customer is happy with the job that has been done. She is also interested in changing the existing music system, so which had an issue. So I think the dealership had given a huge quotation to repair it, but we got it fixed, and the radio had an issue, but now it's fixed. So the customer wants to now upgrade that original audio system to an Android player, because that's what the nowadays people are using. So that's the product, and this is the screen which we will be installing. So that's going to be a much better than what currently is there in the car, and along with that there is a frame. So this is the frame which has come. I'll just show you. Yeah, so that's the frame which will come. So the fitment and everything will look like original, it will not look like an aftermarket. And that's the wiring and harness kit of the entire system. So stay tuned, we will be very soon starting the job. We are about at 2:15 right now. We should have a lunch. Post that we will start the job, and in few hours we'll be done. And once done, we'll post the video, guys. Thank you so much. So now the installation of this Android player is complete in this Mercedes E-Class. So that's how it looks, you can see. And let me show you the different things. Like you have a navigation, you have music, you can connect calls, then all your car menus are also there, the setting, that's the radio. So all the functions are also working from here. So everything which you can control earlier can be still done. Even when you take reverse, the reverse camera works. So this is an Android player. It comes with a CarPlay, and you can play music, videos, YouTube channel, everything. Let me just show you one demo. So these are the sample videos that comes along.
Imagine a soldier the size of an insect. The ultimate secret weapon.
You give godlike powers to everyone, there's going to be chaos.
So something which was very standard has now become a complete entertainment unit. So if you self-drive or you have a driver, you can always use these features. Let me show you how it looks from side also. So as I had shown, this was that bracket which I had shown in the unboxing video. That's the screen. So even the steering mount control will also work. All has been
हाँ मेरी ट्रेनिंग हो गई है। सुनो हम भाई पोस्टिंग है। हाँ मैं आज ही वापस आ रहा हूँ। अरे मेरा तुम नहीं जानती कि मैं कितना खुश हूँ। जी चाहता है बस एक ही मिनट में तुमसे मुलाकात हो जाए। बस यही खड़े खड़े हमको उठा के देखो, तुम सामने आ जाओ। तो खड़े खड़े सर क्या कुछ आ रहे हो? आँखें उठा के देखो ना।
So even the phone link is there. The dashboard system is also inbuilt in this. All your service related messages will also come. It's very bright outside, so that's why you might feel that the screen is little dull, but then it's a perfect. Let me try to keep it in the shade and also show you. Yeah. So now it's in the shade and you can see the screen is perfect. So yeah, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. For any such premium car, infotainment installation, modification, service, anything. Thank you for watching this video, guys.